For this assignment, you will install the floor system for finished floor 1 and the foundation. The floor system for finished floor 1 uses 2x8 joists, and on top of the 2x8 joist, there is a 3/4 inch tongue and groove plywood. The floor system in the foundation is a concrete slab. The concrete slab floor has a 4-inch thickness. To install the floor system on the first floor, in the project browser, we will double click on finished floor 1. We will go to the architecture tab, and in the build section of the ribbon, we will select floor. In the properties, you want to select the 2x8 joist with 3/4 inch subfloor. That will either be found in the list or will be in your most recently used types. Select the 2x8 joist with 3/4 inch subfloor. In this section, you want to put a check in the box that says extend into wall to core. In the modify create floor boundary, in the draw section, you want to select the option that says pick walls. You will use walls as the boundary for your floor system. Select pick walls, and you will click on each of the 4 exterior walls. You will see a magenta or pink line that will show the boundary of your floor. The pink line or the magenta line should be on the outside face of the stud. If it is not, you will need to click on the double arrows on your floor system to flip the line so it will be at the outside face of the stud for the exterior wall. Once that is the case, you will click on the green check in the mode section of the ribbon. Would you like walls to go up to this floor's level to attach to its bottom? You will say no. In order to check to see if the floor system is installed correctly, in the project browser, you will scroll down and in the sections, wall sections area, double click on section 1. What you should see is the floor system going under the exterior wall to support it, and the end of the floor system is aligned with the outside face of the stud, which again is closest to the brick. We will check that for section 1, and we will check it for section 2. If for some reason your floor system, if your edge of the floor system stops at this side of the stud, you will need to edit the boundary for the floor system. So to edit the boundary, you will click on the floor system, and in the mode ribbon, you will select edit boundary. In the go-to view, it will prompt you and you will select floor plan, finished floor 1. So you select that view and click on Open View. If your magenta line is along the inside face of the stud, you will need to select it and click on the double arrows. Once you have made that correction, you will click on the check. You will select No. So in the foundation,